My name is Anthony Talley. I'm the executive chef at Harding University. I'm originally from North Little Rock. I took the executive chef positioning at Harding University. I've been here for about a month now. I come in the morning and I oversee the cafeteria for quality, make sure everybody is on schedule, and I also oversee catering. The favorite part of working as a chef would be being able to come up with the menus, kind of delegate what needs to be done to the different stations and areas we have, making sure we're up to par on qualities, the consistency, and then executing that and getting that taken care of the day of. I chose the field of cooking because my family has always owned a disabled veterans home in North Little Rock, and that's where I started cooking and was kind of serving the public a little bit. And this job really reminds me of that, serving the students, the faculty, and just serving my community with quality, consistent food. What I enjoy about working at Harding is kind of the community feel. The employees here are great, the students are great, the faculty are great. They're very polite and nice, and they've welcomed me, and the kitchen staff that I work with are fantastic. It's just the people here. It's excellent people. It's an excellent place to work.